This video is discussing how to multiply and divide fractions. Say we have two fractions and we want to multiply them. Say we want to multiply a over b times c over d. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. Thus we have a times c over b times d. So a over b times c over d is equal to ac over bd. And of course, b or d cannot equal to 0. So let's do an example. Let's try 1/2 times 3 over 4. If we multiply the numerators together, we get 1 times 3, which is 3, and 2 times 4, which is 8. Let's do another example. Say we have 7 over 12 times 2. Well, in this case, we can rewrite 2 as a fraction, so we can have 7 over 12 times 2 over 1. Thus, the numerators are 7 and 2. So 7 times 2 is equal to 14. And 12 times 1 is equal to 12. Thus, we have 7 over 12 times 2 over 1 is equal to 14 over 12. Let's not forget to reduce our fraction. 2 can go into 14 and 2 can go into 12. So 14 over 12 is reduced to 7 over 6. So 7 over 6 is our final answer. Let's go ahead to dividing fractions. So dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions. So if we want to divide fraction a over b divided by c over d, we first must take the reciprocal of the second fraction. The second fraction is c over d, and the reciprocal means flipping the numerator and the denominator. And then we will multiply the fractions together. So a over b divided by c over d is equal to a over b times d over c. D over c is the reciprocal of c over d. And thus we can multiply the fractions. So this is equal to a times d over b times c. AD over BC. So let's do an example. Let's try 3 over 10 times 2 over 3. So 3 over 10 times 2 over 3, we first must find the reciprocal of the second fraction and then multiply the two fractions together. The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So we're going to rewrite the problem as 3 over 10 times 3 over 2. 3 over 10 times 3 over 2 is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9, over 10 times 2, which is 20. And that will be our final answer. Let's try one more. Let's take 5 over 12 divided by 2. In this case, 2 is our second fraction, and we need to find the reciprocal of 2. So remember, 2 can be written as a fraction of 2 over 1. If we find the reciprocal of 2 over 1, we will get 1 over 2. So thus we have 5 over 12 times 1 over 2. And then we can multiply these two fractions. 5 times 1 is 5, and 12 times 2 is 24. And 5 over 24, is our final answer. That's it.